In front of me is POCO F4, and today I would like to show you how you can rename this device. First of all, you need to choose Settings and tap on About Phone. Then choose device name and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Fred. When you're ready, click on this check mark at the top right corner to save your changes and this X icon at the top left one to discard them. I will go with the check mark though, so now when I click on it, as you can see, name of my POCO has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!